Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stop.
Bacon, we all love bacon. This is the bacon cheese, that's Havarti, avocado sandwich. Mike Bacon Foster here, just Mike Foster here. Today, it's a simple sandwich, but it's so delicious, your mouth's gonna water. Did I say that there's gonna be mayonnaise in it? Yes. This is not healthy. It's something I eat like maybe a couple times a year, but it's gonna be my bacon, cheese, avocado, that is actually healthy, sandwich. And the bacon is pre-cooked. You can get this bacon, I just don't know how to take a bite so badly. You can get this bacon and they pre-cook this, and you can pre-cook it in the microwave. They have these little pouches, which is killer. Or you can cook it the old-fashioned way. But I'm gonna cook this baby in the microwave. Let's prep this up, put this bad boy together. Check it out. First thing we're gonna do is prep this avo. I like to cut that little piece off and then spin it around like this. And then I'm gonna put this aside, eat that later, and we're gonna use this. And I'm gonna scoop this out and smash it up onto the bread. We're putting that bread down to toast. Here's the next thing we're gonna do. We're gonna take the bacon and we're gonna just bust it in half, just in half, just like that one. Because I want it to be all together just like this, to fit right on the bread. Then you take this piece of Havarti and put it atop. Now I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, so I'll see you then. Now I meant to say 30 seconds and watch it because that's only 20 seconds. So pull it out when it's ready. All microwaves are different. Now let's put this bad boy together. Fast, simple, and easy. Check it out. Fresh from the toaster. Mayo on this side. Oh yeah. Take this avocado and we're just gonna put it on this side. Smash it down. How's that look? Looks avocado-y. If you don't like avocado, shut this video off immediately. You are not welcome here. Even though the bacon and cheese has some sodium, I'd like to just put one small crack of salt on the avocado because it brings out the flavor, and a few cracks of black pepper. Here's the bacon and cheese that's been nuked, and you put that baby right here. And then you do the flipperoo, presseroo, double flipper. I know that's going to excite a lot of people. Sliceroo, reveal. Fast, simple, and easy sandwich. Let's get a better close-up of that and a big bite coming up. There's a close-up of the bacon, cheese, and avocado sandwich. Big bite coming up. There that baby is. Let me just make something clear. I eat bacon maybe 4 or 5 times a year. And I eat sandwiches only on my cheat day, so I'm on a low-carb, slow-carb diet. But who cares? Let's see if this one, bacon, cheese, avocado, little mayo. Oh, mayo and avo, creamy. The bacon is savory. The Havarti melts and brings it all together. This is a fun sandwich. Good way to start the day? I don't know. Depends on how you want to start your day. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, keep living Live Life 365. Peace.
Live life 365.
The breaking it. After sleep bubble. I'm exhausted from this. Reagan. The douchebaggeroo. Don't forget about that one. That's the best one. But I will say, peace.